Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about placing the order with the help of TradeButton. Okay, so I have been already done a video on that one, and I have pasted the URL link which you can visit. So I've been explained how you can have a Python file, then an HTML file, integrate, re-enter the template, the folder, the HTML file, and then place your orders. Okay, so in last part which I was discussing that you can utilize this stuff to manipulate, or you can place bulk orders. Okay, so before getting into this stuff, okay, I just want to say that, say suppose if you got this JavaScript plus HTML, the point is your order placement will be in a JSON. Okay, so it will be in a JSON format, so you have to follow that one, and just 2 or 3 lines of code if you utilize for to place your order and create a button, it will be very good. Okay, so you can customize your orders, like you can like as I say, you can prepare before the open of market, and you are good to go. And then if the market, like in live situation, you just click on that one and you can place the order. So suppose bunch of market orders you got. Okay, and then say suppose if you got anything, your CSV file, and then want to place the order. Okay, so that is also can be done. And say suppose with the help of Python Flask, say suppose if you want to maintain some stuff, what you can do is like you can create a program where you just re-enter the template from the templates folder, and then exactly you are passing the JSON file. So today I'm gonna do the same thing which I was talking about, a manipulation, how you can send the JSON file to the HTML file, and then exactly if you just click on that one, you will be absolutely to place the order. Okay, so in this case, why I instead of JavaScript I'm using just Python Flask, which will be very much easy to do all those stuff. Okay, you can use you can create a JSON. Okay, and can as I say, with the help of strings, variables, each and everything you can utilize, and can name it whatever the things required to create a button. Okay, so with the help of Python Flask you can do all those stuff. So I will definitely gonna get in detail, but before that what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna show you a small steps, proper steps how you can do. Before proceeding to that, I want to talk about some of the prerequisite things. Okay, so before I was talking about placing the order with the help of HTML and JavaScript. So as you can see, I've been started with Zerodha itself. Okay, placing the bulk order and basket order, where I was just explaining about HTML and JavaScript, including those things. Okay, so in simple way I've been explained how you can process out those information, how you can have a form, then exactly JavaScript, and then you say to place the order. Okay, it's one and the same, just the thing is I'm doing in a Python Flask. Okay, so in reverse I will definitely gonna get in detail. Before that, if you want some ideas, you can get with this place bulk or basket orders, and then you can move on some, like some as I say, 4 to 5 videos are there which you can go ahead and can try by yourself. So in these things, so in two ways I've been explained how you can place your orders. Okay, so I started with like bracket order in these things, and in these 3 videos exactly I've been gone placing some order with the help of analysis, sentiment analysis. And I already shown, so it is already completed, which you can watch and can analyze this stuff. Okay, so how it is like really getting done. Okay, because Zerodha offers the same as like Upstox offers the same thing, but only the code something differs, but the format will be the same. You have to follow JSON format and you have to place the order. So whatever the communication is there, you have to set up those things. Okay, so I must say that you definitely, say suppose if you want to go these things and create TradeButton and want to place the order, you definitely need a trading account. For that thing, I just say that you just click below in the description. Okay, and just give it email address, password, mobile number, and just sign up. Okay, and you can continue your application with sign in. Okay, so if your just password is created, with the help of sign in, you can exactly can go ahead and just put it your details, just email and password, and you can sign in, and with the help of PAN card and other details you can do it by yourself. So you just type these details, and I think I got a mail from the Upstox team that they talking about that you should provide a PAN details for them. If you provide PAN details, you're definitely gonna get help from the support Upstox team. Otherwise you can call them and you can definitely get support. Okay, so one more thing is there, you can open this demat account for free. Okay, there is no upfront charges. Okay, the only point is, so suppose if you want to trade in NSE, or this is definitely a required thing. So I suppose you definitely want dummy demat account, but for sure you can have, and then say suppose you got some fund later on and you want to add, then you can have an account first, so which is instant. Okay, you can do it by yourself and have it, and then exactly if you just get into some fund your account, then exactly you can choose whether I should go with equity, MCX, each and everything. So I must say try each and everything. Why? Because if you go with the API also, you should be have proper, each and everything should be listed in your account. Okay, if not, then you have to do in you have to get in reverse and have to do it. May be moreover say more work you have to do from your side, so you have to avoid that things. So suppose if you are adding the fund, you can try by yourself and can be done easily. So just provide the details and you are good to go. You can try by yourself. Otherwise you can call to the Upstox number, okay, free to these things, and can have in your account and can get help from the Upstox team. Okay, so each and every details will be present in there. Okay, so you can visit and can utilize these things. Okay, so these are the things which they are offering. You can check it out. What are the things are available, how much margin is required for intraday trading, and what are the things you can utilize. Okay, so you can start your trading with 3 hours, 100% paperless account opening using Aadhaar. Okay, zero brokerage on equity deliveries, ₹20 per intraday order, trade in stocks, future and options, currencies and commodities, one click trade facility for all. Okay, so each and everything is available. So I must say that if you open account under my referral, okay, this is my referral URL. Okay, so if you just sign in and open an account, I can in upcoming things I'm definitely gonna offer in my website platform. As you can see, I already given for Zerodha traders who can have an account. What they can do is they can have the scanner for this bullish and bearish, which is under this scanner. Like for I was talked in the previous video also for the ATR, HMA, Renko, RSI. Okay, so I am just scanning this Nifty 50 stocks and I am giving to place these orders. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff. You just have to log in with credentials. Okay, so you just having Zerodha account under my referral, then you can sign up easily, pretty much with a random pass, and I can easily trade these things. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff and can try by yourself. So all the things will be available in Upstox also. For that I must say that have a trading account under my referral, so I can give you these things for free. For Zerodha, whoever people under my referral, you already have a link. You can sign up from that link, have an account, and you can avail this for free. Okay, otherwise you can just pay 2000 rupees. Okay, link is already there which you can utilize. PU money is there. Okay, you can pay on this stuff. Okay, just give the details which I have already discussed in this video, so you can watch. Just utilize pay now, PU money, pay that 2000 amount and you are good to go. Okay, just enter the details, pay now, and for per month you can utilize this stuff. Okay, so available. Okay, right now we will move to our coding part. So as you can see, I just gonna save it and run once again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you last time what we have done. Okay, so for that video is already available. A part is available for this video series which you can watch. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff and can avail the code from my website. Okay, link is available below in the description which you can utilize. Okay, so all you have to do is this is a local host, and if you just route your thing to the M, it will definitely pop up with just say trade with Upstox. Okay, right now it is just re-entering the template from the Upstox. This is nothing with our there is nothing manipulation is there. Our integration with just re-entering the file name .html, everything, each and everything is included in the file itself. So right now what we gonna do is we will just delete those stuffs, okay, and we will include the JSON from our Python to the JavaScript. Okay, so this is very much important factor. This is the format you should follow and you can utilize this stuff. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is I just take it out those things which is in one order. As you can see, I'm just simply placing my order. So whatever the trading symbol will be there, I will utilize and try to place the order. Okay, so here what I have to do is I have to take it out, which is in templates folder, and we are good to go. Okay, so we have to we have to pass a JSON in this here in these things. Okay, so before that I am just create format which I'm gonna utilize from my website itself. So this is the format you should try to for a single order. You can just can go with if you have flower bracket, after flower bracket just say comma, and you can place one more order for these things. So which you can utilize and can do this stuff which I'm going to show you. I'm going to talk more about these things and gonna detail, but right now I'm just showing the format. Okay, so here just my format is I'm going to utilize this one underscore order which I'm gonna place it. So you have to follow this format. So format is very much necessary in this stuff. So I will say one underscore order, in which I will say equals whatever it is there. I'm gonna paste. So you need format for these things. Okay, it should be all in this stuff. It is whatever you're placing, it should be in integer, then all of the things should be in a string. Okay, and the next thing was you have to do is you have to call your one order. So I will say one underscore order equals one underscore order. So what happens, your one order will get placed in the button name, which is one order. Okay, so I named my button name as one underscore order, which was one before that. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just say whatever the one order I've been utilize this JSON should be in my HTML. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna show you the file also, how it is working and how I am placing the order in real. Okay, so what happens here, I just placed. So you definitely need to follow a correct format for these things. We will say double bracket, closing double bracket and opening double bracket, and all I have to mention about the JSON which have been mentioned, which is one order, and I can utilize this shift. This is or type button. Okay, so this is a standalone button which you can utilize and say to JSON. That's it and nothing else. Good to go. We are good to go. So right now, as you can see in my folder, I've been saved these things. Okay, so I will just close and I will show you, and we will run once again. Okay, so if I'll say this thing, okay, so I will just say open. Okay, notepad, as you can see the JSON is already placed, and say suppose if I try also, I can't place the order from this stuff. I can't, means there is no JSON format in this, so you can't place it here. And this is also we will do it once again. So how it is utilizing, how we are manipulating with the Python Flask. I'm just passing my JSON to JavaScript, okay, which is very good in these things to pre-process this information, and then we are passing to the JavaScript JSON. Okay, this JSON to JavaScript. Okay, so I will just say Control S and press F5, and we are good to go. Okay, so we are, each and everything is in the same format. The only point is I am passing the JSON from my Python Flask. Okay, so it is just smooth thing. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff with the help of this Python Flask. Okay, instead of getting the JavaScript. So I will say /m and we are good to go. I will say trade with Upstox. You just ask me for the credentials. I have to provide the credentials. Okay, okay, so as you can see, buy Reliance intraday. So whatever the things is available in the order type market, I can do it here. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you one more format. Okay, so suppose I got this stuff. See here Flask will be there, and I have to give it one more order. So what I can do is like market order. I just need to copy paste, and I think I need to give token also. Here you can see now I have done some mistake. Okay, so what happens here, I've given the token for Reliance, and symbol I just took Shobha company. So that token is like getting in these things. So that's why I'm able to place Reliance order, and did these things. I didn't change the token, because of that I was getting the Reliance. Okay, so you have to correct this stuff. Okay, so correct this stuff and say this whatever the token is available, say as the same and say it as a Reliance. Okay, and say suppose if you want to do it as a multiple these things. Okay, say format is the same, and I just need as a NSE whatever it is there for order type, it should be in a market, but position I want as in a delivery. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff. So what you can do is like you just copy this stuff, okay, and paste it here, and you need to follow the format. So you can have two orders at a time, which is like at the market hours, but it should be in a delivery wise, like CNC. So here delivery, then quantity you need to choose is 2. So there will be definitely changes will be there. So just save and run. Okay, and we have to okay, so it was like some mistake was there, so you couldn't took that one. Okay, so now it is has been rectified, and as you can see, first order is in intraday and the second is delivery. So here token is very much important. I must say that if you are going with the token, please utilize the right token and then place the order. Okay, so if I say that I want to go with some token, I must say that we will see to that can utilize this token. And one more thing is there which I was talking in my videos. Okay, so you can visit Profit Adda videos, okay, where exactly I just talked about how you can fetch this instrument token and all. Okay, so you can visit over there and can whatever the token is there, you can with the help of that one you can utilize. So you can like go with this also. You can, if you want to utilize this token, say api.kite.trade/instruments a file. What you have to do is like you have to say instruments.csv, so it will all save it as a CSV file, and then you can fetch those instruments whichever you want. Okay, so you can check it this in folder and open in CSV. Okay, so you can utilize better and can check the instrument token for this. So if I say about the Reliance, I just show you. Okay, so if I'll go with the Reliance, so as you can see in a Reliance mutual fund, this is all, find all also, and just this you can see 2885. Okay, so if I just copy this stuff, as you can see 2885. So token will be all for the same, whether it is Zerodha or any kind of a broker, so you can utilize this stuff. So 2885 which we found. Okay, and say suppose if you want to go with like Tata Motors, so I'm gonna show you. Say suppose I want Tata Motors in delivery. Okay, we will, okay, I think I missed right Tata Motors, so we will try to find whatever. 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll place this stuff and we will try to include the Tata Motors within. Okay, we have to comma, give a comma, right, comma, and we have to run this stuff and just say refresh. Okay, so as you can see, Tata Motors is good to go. We have been placed a right token for that one, and we can place the order. So you can try by yourself these things, and I must say that you can utilize I must say that you can utilize both trading account, Zerodha as well as Upstox. Okay, they are good to go. And I must say you definitely go to the videos. There are so many other stuffs are available, which is like youtube.com/profitdata/videos, and if you just watch those videos, it will definitely gonna help you in your algorithmic trading. And I'm gonna do more and more videos on that one. In upcoming video series, we will discuss more and more stuff, the format and how you can manipulate, and how you can set and can pass what are the things available, and can format and can pre-process those things. Okay, so we'll get in detail step-by-step process. Okay, so this is for passing this your JSON to JavaScript with the help of Python Flask. Okay, which is very good. So you can if you got any doubt for this thing, you can just comment me below. Okay, and if you have any other queries or requirement, do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Thank you.